To use your bar mounted grinder, you need to lock your saw so that it won't move. Stump vise, that's usually the easiest way. Right, you need to slide your bar into that section. Fit it over your bar, get it as level as you can, get it fairly level, and lock up the mounting screw. Right, these two rails run over the pins. Tighten them up so that it's fairly firm, so that you can still slide your chain through. To set your angle of your grinder, you need to set them to whatever your chain manufacturer recommends. Loosen that lock nut and you can turn it around. There's a little notch on there, a little arrow that will show you what angle you set it at. Just set that to whatever your chain is recommended to be sharpened at. And tighten that up. And there you go. To set the grinder on your cutters, you need to set this, which is the screw at the back. Loosen that off so that you can slide that lock into position. Pull your grinder over so that it sits into a cutter, like so. Set your chain stop up against the back of the cutting tooth and lock it up. Bring your grinder over. You need to set these stops, which will give you the depth in your tooth, in your cutter. Take the stone down until it touches the bottom of the tooth. Screw that up so that it just butts up against the stop of the grinder itself. There you go. Turn your grinder on. Just bring the handle over. Normally you'd stand here, but camera. Just light. You don't have to grind the tooth right away, just lightly brush it with a stone. And done, right? Rightio. Once you've done all one side, slide your chain up. So the opposite teeth, loosen off your angle set and turn your grinder around to where the angle that your manufacturer recommends and lock it up.